Hello, my name is Robert J. Thompson. I served in the United States Marine Corps from 1981 to 1985. This is my place, the old Bowie Grille. Welcome to our second annual Marine Corps birthday celebration. Come on in and have a good time. Thank you very much.
And each year, we get together as Marines, wherever we are, from the sandbox to the embassies around the world, wherever Marines serve, aboard ship, to get together to celebrate just who we are and what we are, which is Marines. And it's an honor to have that title, but it's not free. You have to pay for it. And everybody who's in here who's a Marine knows the price you have to pay for it. Some of us, of course, have paid a much greater price than others. Having said all that, we're here tonight to celebrate the 236th birthday of the Marine Corps. And the reason that we're here is because General Lejeune, 13th Commandant of the Marine Corps, 1921, said, we need to have a celebration to celebrate who and what we are. And each year, as part of the Marine Corps birthday, we literally read that message that General Lejeune provided.
On November 10, 1775, the Corps of Marines was created by a resolution of the Continental Congress. Since that date, many thousand men have borne the name Marine. In memory of them, it is fitting that we who are Marines should commemorate the birthday of our Corps by calling to mind the glories of its long and illustrious history. The record of our Corps is one which will bear comparison with that of the most famous military organizations in the world's history. During 90 of the 167 years of its existence, the Marine Corps has been in action against the nation's foes. From the Battle of Trenton to the Argonne, Marines have won foremost honors in war, and in the long eras of tranquility at home, generation after generation of Marines have grown gray in war in both hemispheres and in every corner of the seven seas.
Part of the ceremony, Senior Marine President, in this case, retired First Sergeant, where is he? Come on, don't dodge out on me.
Johnny.
Come on up. Give me your name again. Come on, for fun stuff. Our retired First Sergeant is going to cut the piece of cake to give to the oldest Marine, John got that written down, and to the youngest Marine, where is he? Young Hard Sergeant Cut one piece of cake, please. Part of this ceremony, Senior Marine President cuts the piece of cake, presents it to the oldest Marine, takes a bite of the cake, who then passes it to the youngest Marine. This is to signify the honor we place with those Marines who have gone before us, recognizing that we are passing that mantle of warrior, peacemaker, the ultimate peacemaker, to our younger Marine. If any of you ever try to cut a piece of cake with a sword, trust me, it ain't easy.
Especially now.
I'm not a baker.
Test. It was only a test. Okay, maybe another piece.
Leaving the first piece, sir, pass it to our youngest Marine.
Make sure it worked that hard.
Here we have John Goff, the oldest Marine. Go ahead, sir.
I was born in 1926. He told us what island we were finally going to hit, and it was Iwo Jima. I was still 18 years old, and at 19 years old, was the 25th of February, that was my 19th birthday. I subsequently got hit, wounded on March the 10th, 1945, and I got shot through the upper arm here and a few shrapnels, and I was in a hospital, two different hospitals before I went back.
Here we are with the youngest Marine.
I'm PFC Barrelman. I actually graduated from Eleanor Roosevelt High School. I went to boot camp August 1st. I graduated October 28th. I was 1st Battalion Delta Company.
A trip down to Vieques Island, and then back to Lejeune, and then I got out and started college, and then I got called back in again for the Korean War, and I went right back down to Lejeune again.
Happy birthday, Devil Dogs!
Hoorah! Happy birthday! Semper Fi.
Semper
Happy
Fi.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Marines.
Happy birthday, Marines. Happy birthday, Marines.
Proud to be here to celebrate the Marines' birthday. Hoorah!
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday, USMC 236.
Happy
birthday, Marines.
I was born in Camp Pendleton. Happy birthday, Marine.
Happy birthday, Marine Corps.
Hi, my name is Joe Hatcher, Chief Foreman. Proudly served 6 years with the Marines as their doc. Happy 236th birthday, Marine Corps.
Happy birthday, Marines.
Wish all Marines happy birthday, be safe, and good luck in the future with everything you plan on doing. Semper Fi.
Happy birthday, Marines.
Actually went through boot camp in San Diego, then to Pendleton, then to Okinawa, then to the Philippines.
Real Marine!
As a token of our affection, present this to you. Old Jack Mary. That's thank me. They just wanted me to do all the talking, I didn't do all the hard work. So let's keep it up. Go ahead. No, speak. Now you can do it.
Well, again, I'd like to thank you all for coming out and supporting the Marine Corps. Hoorah! Supporting our troops. And how many people donated for the care package drive downstairs? That's great. How many people did a note to the troops? That's great. I know when I was in Okinawa, Japan, I was there for Christmas one year, and my mother sent me a package, and it had all kinds of goodies in there, and there was a note and cards from everybody, and it meant the world to me at the time. And those packages that they're going to be putting together to send over to the troops are going to hit them around the same time, around the holidays. So they're really going to appreciate it, and we really appreciate you all doing it. And bringing in the care package donations, and being here tonight. It means the world to us.